Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po ania Fire Brigade Shillong. Regat bat ka Fitorium. Kadukan ki tiar kilan met ka babhatam. Hakador ka babin.
Sembut Menteri Rangba jong ke Sarkar Jilla ubak Preston Tensong ula takran teng ya ke Sengsan Partai Bharatiya Janata Party kabalayai keno baka bamsap bampong ke jor bha hapo ke jingelam jong ke Sarkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance. Haka jingya keren berkilat pathai khubor ubak Preston ula ong lada kani ke jing keno jong ke BJP kalong ke besisa kaladai ban say mardor ya ki sakhi ki sabut ki babiang bat bakam dai ban supenbi je ki pajba kat bahadu menta kadang nyai peteng ban yetrelang hapo ke Sarkar MDA.
If they are so serious about the allegation made by them that MDA government is so much corrupted, why don't you dare to withdraw yourself from the MDA government? Then people will say yes. I think this is the only party who is really concerned about the corruption. Exactly, maybe that's what I'm saying, but don't try to fool the voters. Because see, in one side, you allege MDA government is so corrupted. In the other side, your MLAs, and one of them, they are our ministers, any decision we taken, we did it collectively. So therefore, that's what I'm saying to the leadership of the Meghalaya unit BJP. Why don't you act? I think action speaks louder than words. So, then people, the voters, be it in Karo Hills or be it in Khas Hills, they will say yes. These are the real party who are concerned so much about the corruption of the MDA government. If you are really concerned about your allegation made from time to time that MDA government is so corrupted, I said, why don't you easily, peacefully pull out yourself from the MDA government? Just pull out yourself. And by doing that, I'm sure you will get so many voters. Then the voters you'll get, and you may even get the majority in this council, Karo Hills. Let them do that. No? That is very simple. Ngay là thế các ôngพี่ya ka state unit BJP Meghalaya cái ngam comment suai rồi ngala thai ngala jelep ngala nge ngala kanoi pre ban ong bandang ya comment ni namar kumo phi ka stand biang ka statement jonga ka ong la de phim long comfortable balai te ba phim withdraw la de haba pisngau ba kata kai di government hadu kata kalau so corrupted hadu kata balai bedate begini ki bau minister jo phi doktor bagi balai te bagi mali jo phi kadang ya trelang bagi dia haba fikran le berkakam berfikwa baniyo ji shania ni ki pajba jong kam ne kala berkoi le da kakam berkakam kalau withdraw, simple is that, just withdraw. Balai pin criticize haba phi don lang government haba ngila don ko coordination committee ro ngila da don ko coordination committee, we sat down ngila resolve the issues. Tenrai mentas dang poi si dang poi keno kumta keno tenra dau ngam don su ban comment ko lupa nrei ngai su ong ya pi kaktin berkakam kami ha dia haba pikiran le berkakam te hantar kale su pajba jong Meghalaya no ohoi te kan ka BJP te kamo ka state unit Meghalaya BJP kamu te kini ki beri ulang serius so kan ni